Hey guys, NoGoGFX here, and today it's another tutorial. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change the start button for your Windows 7. It's really very simple. All you have to do is download the link in the description, and then you will get a raw folder. So you have to download WinRAR, of course. And let's see. It's in my downloads. Alright, here, so you'll get this raw folder. You open it up, and you're gonna click extract to, and then extract to wherever you want. I already have it, so I'm not gonna extract it. And then you will get a folder, Windows 7 Start button changer. You're gonna open that, go into the next folder, and then right click on Windows 7 Start button changer, volume 26, and then you're gonna run as administrator. If you don't run as administrator, it won't work. It doesn't work for anyone. You could try, but it won't work. It will open and shit, but you won't be able to change it. So I'm gonna do that now. Run as administrator. This is taking forever. Yeah. So you're gonna click here, select and change start button. There's loads of buttons to choose from. I've the 8-ball button on at the moment. There's loads. Look how many there is. I'd say there's probably about 120 different ones in here, and I'm sure you can download more. So yeah, all you have to do is let's just try this one. Double click on that. It should restart, or will back up your original explorer.exe. And then here, look down here, it's changed. Yeah, perfect. And if at any time you need to restore original Explorer backup, you just click there and it will go back to the like you've never changed it before. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate and comment. And guys, I need some ideas on tutorials to do. I'm running out. This was just, I haven't uploaded in ages, so yeah. I need your help on ideas, so please comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah. 55 subscribers, guys, as well. I need to say thank you so much. The only bad thing was I uploaded a speed art competition, but it wasn't getting any views for some reason, so I took it down. So I'll be having the speed art competition for 100 subs. So yeah, get subbing. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Peace.